So I'm going to do the other demo, which is the spot corrector head. Okay, so this one, put it in. Once you fix it in, okay, we use this with the True Face line corrector. Okay, so this is bought separately. Either that or we use the same head with this Galvanic Energize mask. So you can see the Energize mask is for the eyes. Yep, this is for the eyes. So it's a jelly-like eye mask, and then you can use this. Okay, put on to number 3. This is always number 3. Okay, number 3 is a 5 minutes treatment, and then you just do around the eye. Example, the mask is over here, then you can just, just go one circle, push up around the eyes. What's it going to do, right? The mask actually helps to push in the ingredients from the mask, 10 times hydration into your eye area. So it's going to make your eye more gentle, soft, the skin. It's also going to hydrate it if your eyes are dry, right? It's going to hydrate back the area of your eyes, giving you a more relaxed, and yeah, the skin around is also more gentle, not so rough and all. Yeah. So it's going to give back the moisture and the bounce and the elasticity around your eye area, yeah? Okay, so the True Face line corrector also works, it's not a hydration, but what it does is it's actually targeted for lines, yeah? So all these lines. So what we do is we will usually, just take and then we just apply direct. For example, okay, I got lines here, so I'll just put it over my laughing line. Yeah, something like that. Just put over my laughing line. Okay, yeah, good enough. Yeah, just like that, so can already. Okay, this is really targeted only for the lines. So I'll put to number 3. Okay, number 3. So I make sure my hand is wet before I touch the back, and then here. Okay. So you can see the lines here. I just push it up. Actually, I like to iron it, so I just up, down, up, down. You know, like you're ironing. Of course, up is better than up, down, because when the down motion, you're going to gravity, you're going to pull your skin down. It can be circular up. Yeah, circular up. Actually, last time I used to have very deep lines. But after I use this for a while, right, my laughing line is not so deep really. Now the lines that you see, right, is the cheek line. Yeah, it's my cheeks and, the depth between the cheeks and my bone. So yeah, like that. And if it's the eye, you can, just the eye. So this is very targeted. And just for your info, any treatment to do with the face, okay, can only be done 2 to 3 times a week. Don't overdo it. Don't do it every day, please. Because it's a very, very intensive treatment. The same as what you are going to do if you go into a facial salon. You don't go facial salon every day, ma. Yeah. Because you need your body to rest. You need your skin to rest, relax, adapt to what has changed before you change it again. Yeah. Before you continue to improve it, not change it. Yeah, you continue to improve it. So you see, it reaches the deep areas that you can't. Okay. So if you have eye bags that has many lines here, yeah, by all means, you can use it over here and iron those. This is just an example, okay? Yeah, so this is how I use it. So it's a 5-minute. But one thing you need to know is if you use, you won't feel anything. You hear the sound, okay? But if you feel like tingling at the areas that you touch, like a tingling like that, it's actually almost like a little ant spike. Yeah, means it's too dry. Then you need to put something. You don't continue. You know why? Because what you're feeling is the galvanic current, the static energy from your body. Yeah. So if you continue like that, right, it's going to irritate the place because it's too dry, and then the current is still going to extract. The current is extracting the bad things out so it can push in the good things. But if there's no good thing to push in, you're only extracting, right? That's how, some people, they feel like, why my skin like very sensitive one here and all that, because they didn't put enough solution there. Yeah, too dry. You dry use also, you won't feel comfortable one, right? Yeah. So if it's too dry, then yes, then you need to, you either spray your face or you put more solution to target that area. Okay, make sure it's not dry. Okay, one thing, you use this already, right? You just leave it in. Done already. Just whatever left over, just massage in. Can already. Don't need to rinse. Alright, don't need to rinse. So like I said, you use this 2 to 3 times a week.